welcome back to another video, guys. So it's the 1st of June, or it could be the 2nd, depends if I get it out on time. So that means we've got a new Madame Glam collection. So I've got 5 out of this month's collection. I'm going to do a quick design with them. So I'll quickly show you the colours. So this month they're quite sheer colours, apart from one of them, which I will show you. I'd call these like pastel. They're not jellies, but they are sheer. So shall I just show you? You can get 30% off with my code unpolished30. So we have got Surf and Skate, Shaka, we've got Player, and then we've got Purple Haze. And this last one, oh my gosh, this is stunning. This is called Sandcastle. It's a grey, a light grey, but it's got, you're not going to see it on camera, it's got ultra, oh you can see it, fine shimmer through it. It is beautiful and it paints on like a paint. So I have already done one swatch, one coat. So this is them after one coat. So this is Surf and Skate. So can you see they're sheer, but they're not jelly sheer. They're just slightly sheer. This one is Shaka. Again, can you see? It's not very sheer, but sheer. I'm not going to keep repeating myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a second coat with you. And then we'll have a quick look at them with 2 coats. And then we'll do a little something. So let's start with this Sandcastle. I'm dying to show you this. It's going to be really difficult to pick it up on camera. But it's really, really pretty. Can you see that really subtle shimmer through it? It almost gives it a metallic look. And it's like a paint. It's beautiful. This one really didn't need 2 coats. It really didn't. This one is full coverage, completely opaque in 1 coat. But I just wanted to show you anyway. Can you see that shimmer? Isn't it beautiful? So unique. Right, let's do Shaka. Can you see? They're sheer, but they're not very sheer. I like them. Something a bit different, isn't it? And then this one is Player. Then this is Surf and Skate. And then lastly we've got Purple Haze. So that is them all swatched. Do you know, I didn't think I was going to be sure about this month's collection. You know, I love bold colours. But I actually really like them. They've all kind of got that, like they're not see-through, but they're not fully opaque. They've all kind of got that milky kind of look. They've all got, yeah, I like them. I actually really, they're like milky kind of pastels, aren't they? Something different that I haven't got at all. I really like them. And this, oh my gosh, can you see that? Isn't it pretty? I really like that. So I'm going to do something with them. I don't know what. I mean, look at them. They're nice together. I might use them. Beautiful. Right, so I've got my practice hand out. I'm going to give these a quick base coat. First, this base coat cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then we'll get on with it and do a cute little set of nails, shall we? Right, so that's those being cured in the lamp. What I'm going to do on this pointer finger, I'm going to use Shaka, and I think I used Flavour, I can't remember. But I'm going to do an ombre on this pointer finger and the pinky. So I'm starting out with just a thin coat to start with. Pink at the top, green on the tip. And I'm just going to use the Madam Glam detail liner brush and just blend those colours, just swiping side to side. It will look a bit patchy, even more so with these gels because they're sheer. Your first layer will look patchy, but just go with it. Just blend the colours best you can and stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go in and do a second coat as well. So I'm going to do exactly the same on the pinky, except I'm using Purple Haze for the tip. So I'll just show you doing the second coat on this one. You don't need to see me doing it all over again. These colours blend together so easy. Do you know, I wasn't too sure about these colours when they turned up this month. I'm not a fan of sheer colours, but I absolutely love these. This set looks like it's been done using a builder gel. It does not look like gel polish. I love them. I've not got anything like these. They've got that little bit of transparency like a builder gel. And I just love the look you get from these gels. It's really nice. Really different. So the middle two nails, I'm just going to use the pink that I've used on the ombre nails. These are both going to have 2 coats as well. Wait and see these when they've had 2 coats. They just look like a builder gel. I love it. So that's them had 2 coats. I'm just wiping off the tacky layer, and I'm going to give them a coat of Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat and cure them for 30 seconds. So I've pulled out some glitters. For the green nail, I'm going to use this from Sparkle Supplies. It's called Enchantress. And the purple, I'm using Parma Violets from Charlie's Nail Art. I don't know where that pink's from. And the white iridescent is from Charlie's Nail Art as well. I've got discount codes for Sparkle Supplies and Charlie's Nail Art. They're in my description box with links to the websites. So on this nail and the pinky, I'm just going to do a bit of a pointed French tip. I'm just using base coat, and I'm going to sprinkle the glitter into the wet base coat. So now on the ring finger, I'm using Madam Glam's white gel paint, and this is I'm gonna sprinkle the white glitter into this. Just a little white stripe. I'm gonna sprinkle the white glitter into that. I couldn't use base coat with this white glitter because it's transparent. You just wouldn't have seen it. So I'm going back to base coat now. This is another swirly line for the pink glitter. They're getting a 30-second cure as well. Cute, I like them. So we're going to get these finished now. I've pulled out these AB gems with a pink base. Some plastic little flowery things. And I've never used these before, little pixie crystals. I'm going to put these pixie crystals inside a little silver charm thingamajiggy. So I will let you watch and I'll be back when they're finished. There we go guys, that is them finished. I love them little pixie crystals inside that silver ring. Try and show you close up, can you see them? They're so teeny weeny, but I love them. Never done that before. I like it, I think it's really cute. Anyway guys, that is it for today. This brand new collection is on sale now on Madam Glam website. You can get 30% off with code unpolished30. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.